Welcome to GoHighLevel. Did you know most online traffic comes from mobile devices? In this video, we're sharing the best practices to ensure your funnel is mobile-friendly and ready to maximize conversions. Let's dive in. First, streamline your design. On mobile, less is more. Keep your layout simple, minimize text, and make sure your most important content is front and center. Next, optimize your images and media. Large files can slow down load times on mobile, so compress your images and videos without sacrificing quality. The faster your page loads, the more likely visitors will stay. Make your buttons big and easy to tap. On smaller screens, touch targets need to be large and spaced out enough to prevent accidental clicks. Place your call to action buttons where they're easy to see and access. Don't forget to test mobile responsiveness. Your funnel should adjust seamlessly across various screen sizes, whether it's a smartphone or a tablet. Be sure to preview and test each step on different devices. With mobile traffic growing every day, making your funnel mobile-friendly is essential for driving conversions. Start optimizing your funnel today with these best practices in GoHighLevel. Ready to make your funnels mobile-friendly and boost conversions? Start your 30-day free trial with GoHighLevel today. Schedule your kickoff call to kickstart your success. Find the links in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips.